Welcome back to English Listening Room.
We are very happy you are here today.
Today, we will practice easy English in Wakayama, Japan.
Wakayama? That sounds like nature, history, and good food.
Exactly. Wakayama is famous for castles, ramen, beaches, pandas, sacred roads, waterfalls, temples, and oranges.
Haha, that is a very strong travel menu.
Please listen slowly and read the subtitles.
You can also repeat after us.
Do not worry if you do not understand everything.
Just relax, enjoy the trip, and learn little by little.
Today, our topic is a beautiful day in Wakayama.
Let's begin.
Hi, Paul. Welcome to Wakayama City.
Thanks, Emily. The city feels calm and sunny.
Yes, Wakayama City is a good place to start our trip.
I can see a castle in the distance.
Good sentence. I can see a castle in the distance.
I can see a castle in the distance.
In the distance means far away, but still visible.
I am ready to explore Wakayama.
You can also say, this city has a relaxed atmosphere.
This city has a relaxed atmosphere.
Relaxed means calm and comfortable.
This city has a relaxed atmosphere.
Great. Let's visit Wakayama Castle first. Now, we are visiting Wakayama Castle.
The castle looks strong and beautiful.
Yes, the stone walls and white castle tower are impressive.
How can I describe this castle?
You can say, the castle has a powerful presence.
The castle has a powerful presence.
Presence means the feeling that something is important or noticeable.
The castle has a powerful presence.
You can also say, the view from here is beautiful.
The view from here is beautiful.
Good. That is a very youthful travel sentence.
Haha, climbing up was worth it.
Yes, the view makes the walk feel special.
Emily, I am getting hungry.
Then we should try Wakayama Ramen.
Wakayama Ramen looks rich and delicious.
Yes. It often has a rich soy sauce pork broth.
How can I order it politely?
You can say, I'd like Wakayama Ramen, please.
I'd like Wakayama Ramen, please.
Good. It is simple and polite.
The soup is rich.
Rich means strong in flavor.
The soup is rich and tasty.
You can also say, this ramen is satisfying.
This ramen is satisfying. Haha, my English gets better when ramen appears.
Food is a powerful teacher. Next, let's visit Kuroshio Market.
There is so much seafood here.
Yes, Wakayama has a strong connection to the sea.
How can I describe this market?
You can say, the market is lively.
The market is lively.
Lively means full of energy and activity.
The market is lively.
You can also say, the seafood looks fresh.
The seafood looks fresh.
Fresh means not old and good to eat.
The market is lively, and the seafood looks fresh.
That is a great travel sentence. Now, let's go to Shirahama.
The beach is bright and beautiful.
Yes, Shirahama is famous for its white sand and blue sea.
How can I say, I want to relax here?
You can say, I want to relax by the beach.
I want to relax by the beach.
Good. By the beach means near the beach.
I want to relax by the beach.
You can also say, the sea breeze feels nice.
The sea breeze feels nice.
Sea breeze means wind from the sea.
Haha, I can stay here all afternoon.
I understand. Shirahama feels relaxing. Next, let's see Engetsu Island.
The island has a hole in the middle.
Yes, the sunset view here is very famous.
How can I describe this sunset?
You can say, the sunset is breathtaking.
The sunset is breathtaking.
Breathtaking means very beautiful and amazing.
The sunset is breathtaking.
You can also say, the light passes through the rock.
The light passes through the rock.
That sounds poetic and natural.
The sunset and the island look magical.
Magical is a perfect word for this scene. Wakayama is also famous for Adventure World.
Pandas are popular there, right?
Yes, many people visit to see the pandas.
How can I describe pandas in English?
You can say, the pandas are adorable.
The pandas are adorable.
Adorable means very cute and lovely.
The pandas are adorable.
You can also say, this place is fun for families.
This place is fun for families.
Good. That is useful for travel conversations.
Haha, pandas do not need English. They are already popular.
True. Their cuteness is international. Now, let's walk on the Kumano Kodo.
This forest path feels ancient and sacred.
Yes, the Kumano Kodo is a historic pilgrimage route.
How can I describe this path?
You can say, this path feels ancient.
This path feels ancient.
Ancient means very old, often from a long time ago.
This path feels ancient.
You can also say, I want to walk carefully.
I want to walk carefully.
Carefully means slowly and with attention.
The forest is quiet, and the path feels ancient.
That is a beautiful sentence. Next, let's see Nachi Falls.
The waterfall is huge and powerful.
Yes, Nachi Falls is one of the most famous waterfalls in Japan.
How can I describe the sound?
You can say, the waterfall sounds powerful.
The waterfall sounds powerful.
Powerful means strong and full of energy.
The waterfall sounds powerful.
You can also say, the waterfall is breathtaking.
The waterfall is breathtaking.
This place feels sacred and dramatic.
I will remember this view for a long time.
That is a perfect travel sentence. Finally, let's visit Koyasan.
This place feels quiet and spiritual.
Koyasan is a famous temple area in the mountains.
How can I speak about this place respectfully?
You can say this place has a spiritual atmosphere.
This place has a spiritual atmosphere.
Spiritual means connected to the heart, mind, or sacred things.
This place has a spiritual atmosphere.
You can also say, I want to be respectful here.
I want to be respectful here.
Good. Koyasan is a peaceful place for quiet learning.
Haha. Wakayama has made me quiet many times today.
That means the trip was meaningful. Now, let's review today's useful expressions.
Okay, let's review.
Number 1. I am ready to explore Wakayama.
I am ready to explore Wakayama.
Number 2. The castle has a powerful presence.
The castle has a powerful presence.
Number 3. I'd like Wakayama ramen, please.
I'd like Wakayama ramen, please.
Number 4. The market is lively.
The market is lively.
Number 5. I want to relax by the beach.
I want to relax by the beach.
Number 6. The pandas are adorable.
The pandas are adorable.
Number 7. This path feels ancient.
This path feels ancient.
Number 8. This place has a spiritual atmosphere.
This place has a spiritual atmosphere.
Today, we visited Wakayama and practiced easy English.
We enjoyed Wakayama Castle, Ramen, Kuroshio Market, Shirahama, Engetsu Island, pandas, the Kumano Kodo, Nachi Falls, and Koyasan.
Wakayama was peaceful, delicious, spiritual, powerful, and full of beautiful nature.
I really enjoyed the castle, the ramen, the beach, the waterfall, and the temples.
Please listen again and repeat the phrases.
Practice little by little every day.
What place should we visit next?
Osaka, Nara, Mie, Tokushima, or another place?
Please tell us in the comments.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you next time.
Bye!